Dwayne here, Phoenix Typewriter. We're gonna wash the case of this Hermes rocket, which might never been cleaned. It's got some brown down here. It's kind of hard to catch it on camera. It's not real blatantly dirty, but there's some discoloration, especially on the edge here. So I'm gonna clean it on camera here with technique. But first I'm going to blow this stuff out of here. See, this old my lights on here doesn't show up very well. There's that junk on there, so off. That. And now we're going to wash it. And I'm going to use simple green, but this is blue simple green. And we're just going to soak this down real quick. Get everything wet. And come back over here and just start scrubbing it with a stiff brush. And this is really flimsy metal. I'm going to actually use a block here to support it when I rub the side here, because this is what I want to really get attack here. These sides seem to be a little more dirty. And I'm going to go ahead and prop this over the cover. Especially this area where it seems like it's dirtier. It might be where it gets touched more often. Block on this side. Do this cover. Let's hit it some more. And I'll lay this down and attack this side. Here. Okay, it's all been brushed off at once here. It's time to wipe it off. And repeat. Let's do it again. Same drill. Here, hit the side. Support under here. Okay, there's a little bit of brown down here. I'll wipe this off, and I'm going to use a perfectly clean towel to do the final wipe off here. Fresh white towel. Don't want to transfer any dirt back on here. That'd be pointless. That did come out better. I don't. The camera probably doesn't show it, but it is definitely looking better. So let it dry like this. Now I'm going to do a final dry with the air. Get around this label. Those hinges there. I think that's good. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the oil treatment. This stuff here. Just take it down. Like that. And then I'm going to take another brush I use just for the oil process and just kind of rub it in this wrinkle finish. Make sure it gets in there. Every place gets a little brush, and that's it. When that's done, I can wipe this bench off here. Get rid of the oil here. Excess oil. I'll put this back. And take that same clean rag, find a nice corner, and wipe off all this excess here. And that's going to do it. Already did the back panel. Decals are still perfect. So that pretty much wipes that stuff off, and then maybe hit it again with some air. Get some of that out of this excess. Let's see. A little bit of residue under here. Get that with the air. This side. Yeah, that turned out a lot better. That's definitely an improvement over what it was 10 minutes ago. Looks good. Alright. That's how you clean wrinkle finish. Basic process of cleaning wrinkle finish. This one happens to be a Hermes rocket. Thanks, Typewriter. Good day.